recruiting for VC is absolutely brutal, right? There's no path, right? There's no real structure. Every fund works a little bit different. They use the same terminology with like slight variations that will like throw you off. It's kind of the Wild West. So, I think I went to John Gannon has got a website where he centralizes a lot of VC careers. I went and I think I applied for 20 jobs over there. And I think I got a call back for one of them. And yeah, it was just, I didn't get past the first phone interview on that job. So interviewing for VC is really just brutal.
Why do you think that is? Like, what about it?
So I think there's a few things. First of all, there's a very high caliber of candidates, right? So when I, for example, joined when I joined Our Crowd, the team over there were a math PhD from Brown University. As I mentioned, this guy from Wharton and Blackstone and this guy from Goldman and Lehman, right? So like the bona fides and the pedigree of people who you meet over there is just incredible.